Hello. Okay, I'm gonna go do a little experiment. Kyle, I'm doing an experiment.
Huh?
I'm doing an experiment.
Ah.
It's going down my street. Just gonna get by some toilet paper at the Vinmart. That's my mission. Just very quickly. It's quiet because it's the hot time of day. So, Vinmart. Not far from my house. Okay. Maybe I will pause it or not. I need this toilet paper. Cool. Still recording. I thought it stopped. Okay, going back. Mission accomplished. I hope you can see what I see. But I'll check it out. Check it out now. When I get home, maybe I don't even need a wide angle. But I ordered one. Let's see. Wow, these clouds are beautiful today. Wow, really beautiful. Wow, beautiful clouds. Maybe I can show you. Can you see it? Probably not. But I tried. Okay, well, I'm talking to myself while I am cycling. Okay. Okay. Cool. Home sweet home. Let's go check it out. recording.